Hey, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady of dark whimsical art, and today I might die. We found the casino at Sahara on our way to the Strat and to Saul. So we're just checking it out because we've got some extra time. There it is, the Strat. We're walking straight for it. Up there you can see a tiny blue ledge. That's where you climb out and jump. Jump right off the building. We'll be doing that soon, but first we're going to go to the Saw escape room. Hopefully I can do it. I really want to, but I'm terrified. So we had to leave the Saw escape room in defeat because I accidentally only booked one ticket. So we had to walk back to the Strat. So now we're just hanging out. Hopefully the jump thing isn't canceled or anything because of the wind. Well, I guess we'll find out. And so we're gonna hang out at the Strat for a while, maybe get some lunch. We'll do the Saw thing tomorrow at 6:40, just in case I forget what time it is. I have it recorded. We're getting some lunch at the Strat Cafe. Could be my last meal, so I hope it's good if I actually don't chicken out. I got a quesadilla with chicken because I did not want to eat another burger because I eat a lot of burgers. And I'm sure we're going to eat an In-N-Out burger, hopefully. Cookie got a burger though. Which she likes. Where the crazy people jump out. That's gotta be Fremont Street over there. Hopefully we make it. I don't know that we are. Unless we end up going there today. I'm doing this, but I'm not going to be videoing or anything because I'm going to be terrified. I'm going to be clinging to it with dear life. But I'm doing it. Doing it! Needed a drink after all the scary rides on top of the Strat. The road. Another creepy game, Gargoyle. They really need more creepy games. They're fun. Boo. I'll come back if something interesting happens. Nice win. 250. Woot. I'll come back if I get a real win. I wouldn't have made it that far. All the wilds. I don't think it helped me at all though. Circus Circus! course, the first thing you see is the casino, Players Club. We may need another card. Yes, another card. I'm gonna have such a collection of them. We found old school ones that actually take actual change in quarters and spit out a bunch of quarters at the bottom if you win. Yay, we can get rid of our change. Woohoo, game room! Logan would like the Sonic. I don't know what they're from, but these guys are kind of cute. We got some tiny Squishmallows! Yay! We got some alien dudes. Oh! E-claws, we hate you! Oh, you're way off. Hold on to him! Aha! Yay, we got him! Yay! Took him to my... Oh! He fell. Rude, E-claw. We might get an octopusy, that's good. Yay! Octopusy! E-claws are evil because they won't grab until they hit their pay amount. So unless you get lucky and it's time for its pay amount when you first start playing, you could be spinning a while because it'll keep dropping until its pay amount is reached. Oh. Which is why you want to get one close to the hole, because if it drops it, it might actually drop it into the hole. So you're going to hit the glass. You might be okay there. It's iffy. And if you get closer, you'll hit the glass. Hold it. Oh, evil E-claw. Oh, he got it up twice. That time it didn't work. I need to stop dropping like that. I don't know, Poopy. I think this one's... Looky! He looks like a unicow! They've gone too far now. Bob Ross candy. Here's a fun bar. Too bad it's not open. I wonder if it opens later. We got a game room. Sonic. Still haven't seen the Sonic movie. Oh no. That was terrible. It tried. Yeah. horses getting around it, but horses were racing. I think we've gone the whole way around because there's Stardust again. The Unical! He didn't activate though, but he's there. Oh, never got one anymore. Where's the adventure dog? Gotta check out how much it costs. Circus Circus. And this is the menu. Got some nice bread and some steak coming eventually. Here's my chocolate martini. What did you get?
Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule. I don't know what that is. Interesting. Our crab cake comes with a weird surprise, so we're gonna open it. We figured it out, it's a lemon, and they wrap it up so the seeds don't get on it. Interesting. We unwrapped it though, because we didn't know what it was. Look at all that crab. The sauce was very tasty as well. Very good. Here's my black bean soup with some onions on the side. Zach. Got a salad. I don't normally eat steak, but I am at the steakhouse at Circus Circus, so I got a filet mignon. Zach got a porterhouse? Porterhouse. Looks big. I'll be lucky if I could eat all of mine.
Yours is pretty thick.
That's what I'm saying. I'll be lucky if I can eat it all. Let's taste this. I tried, but I could not eat all of it. It was very, very good though. I do recommend it. Giant lobster and some giant beef legs for the Renaissance Fair.